Your title and bio get client to click. Wait, have you watched the part one? If you haven't, go watch it on my channel now. In part one, I talk about optimizing your Upwork title, photo or video and bio. So now, in this part, I will be talking about portfolio, work history and project catalog. So portfolio, work history and project catalog are what actually gets you hired. Today I'm walking through my own profile live, showing you exactly how each of these should be built. A lot of people optimize their bio and title then and wonder why they still aren't growing or getting hired. Clicking into your profile is step one. What clients see next is what decide whether they message you or move on. That's everything we are covering today. So the first thing is portfolio. For each piece of your portfolio, it should narrate action. So your portfolio should narrate action. I just did this recently. So your portfolio should narrate the action, the system, the results. And your image quality must be clear enough. If there are anything like contacts, email, things that are private, just blur them as I did here. So my role in this is executive virtual assistant doing intake. I did intake system design, and this is the title: contact and registration intake system, healthcare AI webinar. So your project description should explain what you do, how you do it and the results, which is what I did here. I built a structured Google form linked to Google Sheet to collect and organize real-time registrant data for an healthcare focused AI automation webinar. So that's what I do, and this is what I do did. The form that I created, this is what it did. The form captured contact details, professional role and interest areas, with responses auto-populating a live spreadsheet with no manual entry, no missed submissions, and respondents were segmented by role: healthcare professionals, aspiring medical virtual assistants, RCM specialists, to tailor session content. And the results: with this form, I was able to collect 15 plus structured responses within the days of launch, giving the team full visibility into registrant needs before the event. Now look at that. Now, so this explain the system, the action I took manually, the system of what I did, and also the results. So that's what your portfolio piece should do, not just inbox management and you just leave it like that. So that's what most people do. They just wrote calendar management and you leave it, and you expect clients to hire you without even knowing what you do. Even if you have zero clients and you did this and you explain what you do exactly, and even the skills and deliverable, you included them, there are 5 in total you can add. You included everything, you explain the structure of what you did, clients will understand. They don't need to know whether you get paid for this or not. So that's what a portfolio should look like, and your image, it should be very clear, HD clear. Like if clients zoom in, they should be able to see everything. Okay, so if they zoom, they should be able to see everything clearly. Even if they don't, it should still be a little bit more clear. And that is it. Let me return this thing to 100. Now let's talk about work history. Work history. So work history, this is my work history. This client now, I wrote administrative assistant, that was when nice. And this client, can you believe that this client did not hire me as an administrative virtual assistant, but I have worked for this client before I became a virtual assistant. But the work, I just positioned the work as an administrative assistant because it looks the same. Every work, most work looks the same according to virtual assistant. The only difference is that virtual assistant is what you can do without monitoring, and you can do it alone. You work at your own pace, so you can easily convert any work to virtual assistant. And even now, I'm editing this to executive virtual assistant. I've worked for this client normally, and no client will know that maybe I did it or I did not. So all this now, I will change it to executive. So you just have to be strategic. Not everything is that you need to work, you need to get employment history before you can land clients. No. When I land my first client, I land my first client on Instagram, yes, and it was through outreach. And that Instagram account, can you believe, I opened Instagram account, let's say 2 days, in 2 days, and I start messaging clients with it. You imagine a 2 days Instagram account doesn't have any proof, no long post history, no followers. But I was able to convince the client, and my own mindset is that if I'm able to take a client from online to my WhatsApp, that client is finished. So I was able to convince the client, and I was able to explain what I will do for him and the result he will get. I was able to convert the client immediately, and the client worked with me for almost 6 months. So you should be able to present yourself. That's what everything is all about. Present yourself and be able to present the solution. If you can present yourself and you still can't present the solution, they still won't hire you. You must be able to talk about yourself, talk about the work, the tools you use, and the solution to it. Client don't just come online to give freelancers money away for free. They come to buy your services, that thing you have been learning, that certificate you have been collecting. That's what they came for, your expertise on how you can solve their problem. They are hungry and they want you to feed them. That's why clients came for you to, that's what they want you to do for them. You should solve their problem, and not just saying I will solve your problem. No, they don't want to hear that also. You should explain how you solve their problem, explain it in details. So that's about the work history. Add the history of, even if you don't have, add it. Yes, add it, even if you don't have. And this thing, if you go to my LinkedIn account, you will see it. It's all the same. Even though I didn't work it for an admin client, I work it for a normal client, but I turn it in favor of my Upwork account. So getting invites on sometimes on Upwork is not about all those things people say. Sometimes it is about just being strategic, positioning yourself very well. And the third thing we talk about is project catalog setup. Most people don't care about it. Even I just set it up. I don't care about it before, but it really helps. This is it, project catalog. If you have worked on Fiverr before, you will understand these things. Project catalog is just like offering 3 gigs of service in one package. No, 3 packages in 1 gig rather. So you offer the basic package, the standard, and the, I think that's how it looks on Fiverr. Instead of Upwork has the starter, the standard, and the advanced, while Fiverr have the basic, the standard and premium. So that's just how it looks. I think I have one Fiverr account, but I don't really know where it is. Let me try if I can find it. The reason why I hate using Fiverr is that it gets banned easily. Not this one. Fiverr gets banned easily. Like, I don't know how they are doing it now, but all those time I was using it really well, it gets banned easily. So I just created this gig, I think 2 days to 3 days ago. So let me preview it. So this is what I'm talking about. This is how Fiverr offer their own basic, standard, and premium. So and that is it. So that's what you should do. Utilize every tools that Upwork offer you. Don't just leave it there and say that it doesn't work. No, use everything. Use everything. You see, I select almost every industry that is selectable. Like, why won't I work for your industry? As long as what you want is admin support, I can do it. Okay, because I'm using my account, I cannot purchase. That is normal. So now, you should see, clients can easily go through your packages and see which one is the best fit for them. So they can easily hire you. Say, this person advanced package is suitable for me. Let me go for it. And this package, I calculated it according to my Upwork hourly rate. Now this one is $30 for 3 hours of work, and my hourly rate is $10 per hour, which is still the same if clients go and hire me in my Upwork profile with this place. It is still the same thing. 3 hours of work for $30, which is according with which aligns with my hourly rate. And this one, for the standard package, they get 1 hour extra, which is 11 hours of work for $100, which is supposed to be $10, 10 hours of work for $100 on my profile. And for the advanced, they get 33 hours of work for $300, which is supposed to be 30 hours of work for $3 on my profile. And this is just for 7 days. So that is, you must be strategic, and client can easily click on continue, offer you, give you the job. Even when they don't hire you from your profile, you can easily land clients here. So don't just believe that the only thing that can work for you on Upwork is your profile. No, other things can work too. Another thing is your certificate. If you have certificate and you don't add it, you are just doing yourself. If you have certificate, add it. Why are you keeping your certificate? Okay, why do you earn the certificate if you don't want to show it? So if you have, add it to your profile, right? That's what it is for. That's what you earn it for. So add it. So, and that is all we are going to talk about on Upwork optimization. That's the complete optimization system from first impression to actual conversion. If you want hands-on structured training like this with feedback on your profile, like you want me to train you exactly how to set it or how to send proposals, everything in details, Jovex Remote Academy's Cohort 1 is open now. Link is in my bio, and subscribe for more detailed videos.